Sometimes I lie awake at night and wonder what life will be like for her and for him as I watch them grow before my eyes. What kind of world will we live in? I play a part. I have a responsibility. Not only in my home, but in the world we call home. And in the work that I do. That's why I'm glad I work at a company that cares about its impact on the world. At Whirlpool Corporation, the why matters. My why is helping to ensure a better future for my family.
I'm excited about the bigger and bolder actions being taken in our manufacturing plants. The steps we're taking in our plants to become carbon neutral make me proud to work for this company and to be part of the sustainability team.
And we're not just doing it in the US, but in all our plants and distribution centers across the world, with investments in things like LED lighting, wind power, and solar power.
And we're working on minimizing and repurposing waste in our plants. Because we know there is no place for waste, at home, at work, or anywhere on our planet.
All this change in our plants and facilities is a good start, but we don't stop there. We want to continue to build even more sustainable products.
Modern appliances aren't the same as the ones our grandparents used. They use less water, have a smaller carbon footprint, and are made with recycled materials.
All without compromising the performance and capacity that people count on.
We're also teaching people around the world ways to help reduce food waste and helping them use their appliances more sustainably. Creating real change in the world starts with each one of us. If we don't do it, who will?